Hello everyone. Today in this video of lecture 19, I'm going to show you how we can calculate firm's cost of capital. Uh, for this video, I'm not going to show you Excel calculation. I think it's pretty obvious if you can just simply use your calculator to solve it. The main intuition of this math is just to understand the logic and set up all the information you need to calculate the firm's cost of capital. Let's do it together. Okay, so the firm's book balance sheet reports 50% of debt and 50% of equity. Okay, so the debt is trading close to book value at a current interest rate of 4%. So, which is uh, like uh, the 4% interest rate is for debt. So, we have this information here. The market cap of the firm is double book value. So, we can write market value of equity is twice book value of equity, and the equity beta is 1.5, risk free rate 2%, and the market risk 7%. So okay, so for the weighted average cost of capital, we did the cost of capital for debt, cost of capital for equity, right? And thus we have the rate and weight for debt, weight for equity, and combination of these two will give you the weighted average cost of capital. So now we have to find the weight of the debt, and for the debt, the weight is market value of debt over the total value, right? The debt and equity. So you sum up these two, and then you take the fraction of debt to get the weight of the debt value. And here, as in the question mentioned that the market value of equity is twice the book value, so you just multiply with 2. So say this is 1, so it should be 1 plus 2, 3, which is 1 by third, right? So the fraction, the weight, you can easily understand when they mention that the market cap is the twice of book value. By putting this equation, you can easily find the weight of the debt, which is one third. So if one third is the debt, the other equity portion, remaining portion should be the weight of equity, right? So one minus one third, there's this two third is the weight of the equity. So now you have the weight for debt, you have the weight for equity, and for this debt you have the interest rate of 4%, right? So you multiply 4% here, and that for the equity part you have two-third, and this is our traditional um, CAPM formula for the equity, right? The risk-free rate plus beta, and this is the market like risk premium. So RM minus RF is the risk premium. So you have the market risk premium 7% given to you, and the risk-free rate is 2%. So we just put 2% here, and plus the beta 1.5. So when you do calculation, you can get the 9.6% of weighted average cost of capital. So I think it's not very quickest way to do in Excel. Uh, is you can do it manually and use calculator, and also you can use the Excel sheet as well. But I don't think there is a any shortcut formula to do it in Excel. But once you get the idea like how you calculate the weight of debt and the weight of equity, that should help you to find the weighted average cost of capital. So the tricky part is here to get the value of weight of debt and weight of equity, and then you just multiply the information of debt and the information of equity to get the weighted average cost of capital. All right, thank you.